It is very early in the morning. I am off work and the sun is shining. Let me get in it. I'm here with my money tree. Look at how big it is. I got it when it was a baby. And look at it. I guess I have a green thumb, right? So the first thing I did this morning was drink my alkaline water. This is like Essentia, but it's from Dollar Tree. You see what it says? Restore and hydrate, right? Purified water with electrolytes added for great tastes. Alkalines, right? Water, alkaline water and electrolyte. So it's 65. But if you want to be bougie like me sometimes, you could get the alkaline water, the essential water, or you could get Fiji water. Those are the only two that I drink. I don't drink Poland Spring because it's the dirtiest water, and I don't drink Bear Park and all, Deer Park, whatever that is, 50-cent water. I don't drink that. No, I don't, because it's tap water, and I don't drink tap water because it has a lot of lead. So know what you're drinking. Google it. Google on YouTube. They did water tests and they show you what is in those waters that y'all think is $1 and everybody else is drinking. Don't follow what everybody else is doing. That's why you're different. You don't look like everybody else. I don't. Yeah, I don't look like everybody else, and I know you don't. Excuse me, it's early in the morning. I don't have to make one, and I'm in my backyard. This is my backyard. Yeah. For now, right? Today I'm going to talk all about meditation and how to meditate and why you meditate and what can you gain from meditating and how meditating changed my life. And meditating while pregnant, meditating before you pregnant, anytime, right? We have acid like levels and we have alkaline levels, and when we're alkalining more I made that up, you're basically gonna have a higher frequency. You're gonna raise your energy level. Ooh, look at that sunlight. Yes, I don't even need makeup. And basically you're gonna raise your level and your frequencies and your energy, and you're gonna basically be in a high level for the day. You're gonna feel good. I used to drink Dunkin' Donuts coffee for 4 years. Everybody knows me. People that know me, they know that I loved Dunkin'. I used to. But I have stopped. Yeah, don't mind those sirens. You know, I guess it's nature. You know, it happens. Let's come back when it's finished. I'm back. So, like I was saying, let's take in some of the sun. All right. So, I'm ready. I'm having for breakfast, like I told you, the first thing is alkaline water. You could get this at Dollar Tree. It's $1. Don't tell me you can't go get it. Okay, Google it. You could go on dollartree.com for people that love to go online and shop, and you get it for delivered to the store if you go in and they don't have it, because I know Dollar Tree never really has stuff. So you could basically get it delivered. So you got no excuses. I don't want to hear it. This, my favorite cup. See, it says Boss Lady, because that's what I am. I'm having lemon water. See it? See the lemons in there? Let me go show you. It was hot, really hot, but you know, I don't like hot, scolding hot stuff going down my throat. No, I don't. I don't know if you do, but kudos to you if you could do it. Now for breakfast, I'm having soursop, avocado, and mangoes. So I meditated for like half an hour. Every day I meditate for half an hour basically, and I basically go within. I go in the bathroom because that's where I love to be at. That's where I feel connected, quiet, close the door. Wherever you feel that there's no noise, go there. Disappear, clear your mind, focus, like blank it out. Don't think about nothing. Don't even think about meditating. I'm about to meditate. That's weird. Just be like, I'm quiet. Act like you sleeping. Like, I'm so tired. Like, let me go to sleep. Like, let me get into the that state that you get into that I'm not gonna get to yet. But we get into that state. It's a different states that you get into, your brain gets into. And you get in there and you zone out and you just connect to the spirit world. You connect to the angels. You connect to your life coaches, your spirit guides, your ancestors, everything. You connect. You disconnect from this world, this matrix that we live in, the noise. So this is what it looks like. This is what the fruits look like. Avocado, soursop, and mango. Can you see it? I cut it up, right? I cut it up, and this is what it came out to look like. This is the soursop. So I follow this guy on Instagram, and he always has these exotic fruits. I'll put his name in the description box so you can follow him and you can order it. This tastes so good. This is good. But this is my breakfast. And it has a lot of seeds. Be careful when you eat it. So the texture is really soft, like a mango. Very mushy, very sweet, like a little sweet, sour, like a kiwi kind of, but sweeter. Then you got your mangoes, yummy. I'm from the island. I'm Guyanese, so I love my mangoes. And I'm gonna tell y'all all the health properties that it has, all the benefits, basically. And here you go to avocado. Now, I don't like eating salad. Don't come for me. But a lot of vegan people, they love to eat salad. I like to eat kale and baby spinach. That's it. And cucumbers. Maybe if you mix it together, I'll eat it on a plate and pretend it's a salad. I don't like salad dressing. I don't like wet. I don't like nothing wet and mushy on my vegetables. I don't like that. So you don't have to eat salads. Like, you don't have to be vegan and eat salads. Like, I'm not telling you to do that. You do what you feel. So this is avocado. So this video is not about eating, but that's my breakfast because this is really early in the morning. It's mad early. I used to wake up in the morning like 5 o'clock, 4:30 to get ready for work. And I used to feel so tired, drained. I used to feel like a zombie. Let me get closer because the light. And I used to go to work, have to be at work for 6 a.m. I hated it. I hated my job. I didn't like it. Like most people do in the world. But I have a new job now that I love. So I'll wake up early, honey. Hello. And I watch Aaliyah J because I love makeup. And I can't wait to meet her. And I don't have no makeup on now. Main reason why is because I was meditating and I just was like, I have an idea for a video. People need to meditate, like to show, people need to learn how to meditate. There you go. And I need to show them because I never meditated in my life, ever. Not never. So is this better? Maybe this. Okay. So basically, you have to have control in your mind. You have to be focused. You have to zone out and disconnect from the world. So if you can't do that, maybe it's not for you. I'm sorry. But this is a way to relax, connect to the spiritual realm, connect to, what you want, where you want to be at, and try to start clearing your chakras. That's basically number one. Wait, let me get my arm necklace out, have it out here so I'm connected. Also, depending on what you are, if you're a person that, you see ghosts, when you was little, you see spirits, you see this, you hear noises, you see synchronicities, like, lucky numbers showing up all the time, triple numbers, and, you You have coincidences, which are not, they're meant to happen. You know, cats cross your path. Black cats are good luck, by the way, Google it. So if a black cat comes across your path, that's an angel trying to tell you a message, trying to tell you they're there. You know, pay attention to me, I'm here. If you've been seeing it since you was a little kid like me and you used to be scared, cut that out your mind. That's ignorance. That's basically the world trying to pollute your mind to disconnect you from who you meant to be. So cut it out. Now, they good luck. You know, one of the archangels, he is there to protect you. Michael, right? That's him. You see a black cat? Hey, so now you can see a black cat and feel calm. Feel like I'm protected. I'm not alone, you know? Depending on who you are, I don't know who this message resonates with. I don't know who's feeling it. This is for you. I woke up thinking about you today. And I want to thank y'all for clicking on my channel, clicking on me, because there's a lot of people that I watch. Well, I only watch like 3 people. I'm not going to lie. And I focus on them, and that's it. But there's a lot of different people that do this. So if you connect with me and you think I'm cool, thumbs up. You know, thank you, because I never used to have this much confidence. I used to basically hate myself, if you can imagine, and think I was ugly because of how I was raised. And if you look at my background, my first video, you'll see, you know, when I was little, I was abused, you know, and I thought like I wasn't worth nothing. You know, I'm not gonna say the SHIT word, which I said it, but I spelt it. And, you know, I basically felt like I wasn't worth it. And I kept getting in these relationships that kept abusing me and kept showing me what I was thinking was right. Going back into the laws of attraction, I was attracting what I was thinking. So I thought I was less than. I was getting less than jobs. I was getting stupid temp jobs. I was getting nothing. I was getting nothing on my paycheck. I didn't have enough money for a washing set. I couldn't get nothing. So now that I think big, I'm getting all these blessings, which is crazy, but I had to go through it to learn, to help you. Now, the properties in these fruits that I ate. Let me tell you. I wrote it down. I have a journal. I've been journaling. Like, I wrote it down just for you. Today is 9/19. I wrote it down. So I'm gonna make more videos and post them when I have ideas. I've been slacking, but the spirit of procrastination has left my body. Goodbye. I have let that go during meditation, which is what you'll learn. So if you like to moisturize your face, this is what I use. Or you want to know what I put on my face, which hardly is nothing. It's Lancome Re-Energy Lift Multi-Action Sunscreen Lifting and Firming Cream for all skin types. This is what it looks like. I know. I'm going to start using my camera. Go. The healing properties of a mango. If you want to heal, if you're trying to heal and that's what you're meditating about and that's what you focused on, you've been sick a lot and you're going to focus on it. Because that's one of your chakras. We have 7, you know. Basically the top one, your crown chakra, then you going into your throat chakra, then you going down, you know, your heart chakra. You feel me? Check me out with that knowledge. Man, I'm telling you, I'm on fire. So it helps fight cancer. I'm gonna look this way. It helps maintain cholesterol levels, cleansing the skin, right? Clearer skin if you have pimples. Regulates diabetes, alkalizing the body. You see, there's that alkaline again. Something is connecting here. A way to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, I don't want to lose no weight. Healthy eyes. I used to not be able to look in the sunlight. Let me do it. I used to not be able to get these big brown eyes into the sun. Man, you see how that worked? God, you see how he worked? So soursop, high in antioxidants, stabilizing blood sugar level. Like y'all diabetics, which y'all don't really have it. It's just your mind telling you. It fights bacteria, so that's good for people that get BV a lot. Women, you know BV, bacterial vaginosis. Women get it a lot. You have sex with someone and he's sleeping around and you get it. You get a little, it's not an STD. It's like STP, whatever they call it. But it's a STD. You know it. You know. You know you shouldn't have been sleeping around with him because he was messing around. You felt it in your gut, but you wasn't following your gut. That's why you got that. But now you can knock it out. Clear your mind and get away from that person, because you don't need that if you're trying to have a baby. Avocado, fiber, folate for a baby, vitamin K, B, C, and E, all of that. That's like drinking orange juice. That's like vitamin K, I think, is in spinach. I don't know, it's in your veggies. You got all of this in an avocado. Wait, all of this from this, all of that, you get all of that. You got potassium, like a banana. If you don't like bananas, eat an avocado. If you're allergic, eat an avocado. I'm not even gonna talk about allergies, because you know allergies, that's from the devil. But niacin and, help me out, pantothenic acid. There you go. That's what it has, all of that. So I wish all y'all love and light, you know, on your journey. I don't know what you're trying to be. I feel like I'm an empath because I pick up a lot of energies from people. I feel pain. I feel when people are lying to me, and I'm connecting with it now. Also, I'm into like a lot of witchy, you know, things, you know. And when I say witchy, don't think negative. Don't do that. First of all, witchy, they got white witches. You saw the Wizard of Oz. There's a white witch, a good and a bad witch. Now, witchy, when you make wishes, when you blow out a candle and you're a kid, you just did something witchy. You just did like something spiritual and witchy, and you made a wish. You made magic happen. It's like wishing on a shooting star, throwing a penny in a wishing pond, wishing on the moon, different things like that. That's witchy. Burning sage in your house, having a pink Himalayan salt candle, that's witchy. Wearing these things, wearing your evil eyes bracelets because you're trying to protect yourself. You're throwing a protection spell on yourself against other people, that's witchy. Protecting your baby when it's born. You know, West Indians, they put that black and red beads on the foot. What are you doing that for? Because in your mind, you're throwing protection to your baby. Putting this bindi right here, right, on your third eye. If you are Hindu, like me, if you are spiritual, if you study Buddhism, you know that your third eye is open. You do not need to block it. And when you block it, bad things happen. You protect your third eye. So look at that. Why does she wear the dot on her face? It's not a dot. It's a bindi or a tikka. You could call it whatever you want. I say that to say this, that when you look at people, don't look at them with negative eyes. Just look at them through positive eyes. The way your grandma and your nana and the way they treated you with unconditional love, that's the way you look at people. Because phone cut off. Because if you judge people, bad things will come back at you. So don't do it. And you know, just look at everyone with love. When you look at homeless people, don't look down on them, because you could lose your job too, and you could be homeless, and I don't like that. So don't do that. Don't be like, ill, they stink, ill, this and that, because you don't know what happened to them. You don't know. Somebody could have died and they could have went crazy and lost their damn mind, and now they homeless because they can't function in the society that we believe to be correct. You would never look at me and know that, oh, that pretty girl that's smiling and so happy and helping people was abused and raped and, you know, told she was ugly and told she was a fat pig because she wanted to eat, because she was starved as a kid, because she didn't have enough. You know, you didn't know that she used to cry every night and think she was less and settle for these jobs that are less and never was happy. She was in relationships just faking it just to be with somebody because she felt lonely. But she's not, and that's me. That was me. Now, I'm on fire. I'm a superstar. Look at that. The sun done, you know, fixed itself, you know? It was like helping me out because I was trying to see you. I'm trying to look at you. Oh man, whoo, this feeling. Anyway, I'm sending love and light to you.